Morning boys. Today we are going to see exercise 3.6, problem number 4. Before that, I just want to remember this identities. Already in the previous classes I have given this identity. Once again I just explain this because it is all very important to solve today's problems. Okay, now we have a product to sum identity is 4. Sum to product identity is 4. So here sin A cos B can be written as 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. If you have a product cos and sin B, cos A sin B, we have this formula. Cos A cos B, both are cos, we have this formula. Both are sin, we have minus 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Same as like sum to product, we have a sum to product. So sin C plus sin D, we can write 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus D formula, sin C plus cos D formula, cos C minus cos D formula. Here this formula I told you it's a little bit different from others, so you have to be very careful. 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2 when you have sin cos C minus cos D, or otherwise we can write here minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. If you take a minus here it will be C minus D. If you take plus here it is a D minus C. So these are the properties we are going to use in this exercise. Problem number 4 first. Problem number 4, show that cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 3 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 5 pi by 15, cos 6 pi by 15, cos 7 5 by 15 equal to 1 by 128. This is what we have to prove. LHS equal to RHS. See, look at LHS side. I am going to take LHS side to prove RHS. Before taking LHS side, just we know the value of pi, isn't it? Pi is 180. So pi by 15 can be written as 180 by 15. If I cancel this one time, remaining 3, 30, 15, 12 time. So this can be written as LHS side cos 12 degree, cos 2 into pi by 12, 2 times of 12, it is 24 degree. This is 3 times of 12, this is 36 degree, then 4 times of 12 it is 48 degree, then 5 times 60 degree, then 6 times cos 72 degree, then 7 times of 12 is 84 degree. Here after write the values in degrees, then we have to remember the identity, but I didn't give the identity. I told you already, whenever required the particular identity I will give you. So here I am going to use the identity cos 60 degree minus A cos A into cos 60 degree plus A equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. So this identity we have a proof also, we have given in the book also identity. See, I am going to use this identity directly in this problem, because you have to remember, as soon as you see this problem you have to remember this identity. We need to have a proof here. We just write directly the identity. So you have to memorize this identity. So cos 60 minus A cos 60 plus A equal to, if you have a form of this, left hand side directly we can write 1 by 4 into cos 3A. So here according this identity I am going to have some changes in the order. So how can we change? How can we get 60 minus A 60 plus A? So cos A supposed to be minus with the 60 degree, this A supposed to be minus with the 60 degree, here A supposed to be plus with the 60 degree. Okay, here I am going to take some values here. First, if I take A as 12 degree, 60 minus 12, what will come? 60 minus 12 is 48. 48. So this will come here, cos 12 will come here, then 60 plus A, it is 70, 60 plus A means, what is 60 plus 12? 72. So this. So this we can have order here. So here first I am going to change the order here. First we have to write cos 60 minus A. 60 minus A is 48. I mean when you take A as 12, cos 48. Cos 48 degree first. Then cos A is cos 12 degree second. Then 60 plus A is 72. Cos 72 degree. So I can arrange in this order. Next, just take it, it's all product, for your understanding you just take it in the bracket. Next, remaining we have 3 terms, 4 terms. It is cos 24, cos 38, cos 84. If you take, again I am going to use this identity to rearrange the terms. Here cos, what we can take cos, A to get these two sides. If you take 24 as A for the next arrangements, 24 as A, 60 minus 24, it is 36. Here we have first order. Second 60 plus 24, 86, we have a third order. So second one, first order is, this is cos 36 degree, then cos 12, cos A is cos 24 into cos 60 plus 24 is cos 84 degree into, we have another one separately, that is cos 60. Cos 60 value we know that, we just write 1 by 2. Now I told you, if you order is like this, directly we can write the right hand side 1 by 4 into cos 3A. Here what is A? Here A is 12. So 1 by 4 cos 3 into 12 into, here A is 24. So 1 by 4 cos 3 into 24 into 1 by 2. Here 1 by 4 cos 3 into 12, 36 degree into 1 by 4, 3 into 24, 80, 3 into 24, 72. degree into 1 by 2. Now here cos 36 value, I told you already, cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4, refer example 3.9. The value which is found out from the example 3.9, you can refer the value how that value has come, you can refer the value there. here 1 by 4 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Here cos 72, instead of cos 72, I am going to write here, you just understand 90 minus 72, sorry, 90 cos 72 can be written as 90 minus 18, 90 minus 18. So cos 90 minus 18 can be written as cos 72. So instead of cos 72, I have written cos 90 minus 18. So here 90 minus 18 is first quadrant, no sign changes. Next, because of 90, we have to change the co-ratio. This cos into sin 18. Sin 18 also, the value we have found in example 3.9. Refer example 3.9. So cos 72 value, I mean sin 18 value, root 5 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. Just multiply all the values here. Denominators, so multiply first numerator, we have a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 5 whole square minus 1 square by, here 16, here 16, 16 into 16, 16 into 16, 256. So 256 into 16 into 16, 252 into 2, meaning 1, 5, 12. So it is 5, 12. Then square and root will be cancelled. 5 minus 4, sorry, 5 minus 1, 4, 5, 1, 2. 4 table, 1 time, remaining 2 times, 32, then 182. So this 1 by 128 equal to RHS side. Hence proved. So problem number 4 is over. Next problem number 5. So these problems are not easy to solve it in the examination. The point of examination, you will have a lot of difficulties to remember the steps. If you want to remember the steps, you need a lot of practice. Otherwise, it is not easy to solve. So you need practice in identities, and then the steps how we can change in orders, what are the identities we are using, all those things you have to keep on remember. Otherwise, it won't be easy to solve it in the examination. Next, problem number 5. Sin, show that sin 8x cos x minus sin 6x cos 3x divided by cos 2x cos x minus sin 3x sin 4x equal to tan 2x. Okay, here LHS side, I am going to take LHS side and prove RHS side. Before that, here I am going to use product to sum formula, because we have a sin A cos B format. Here sin A cos B format. Here cos A sin B format. Here sin A cos B format. See here, I am going to use this 4 identities. Here 4 identities we can use it. Here already have written it. You just, I am going to select the identities which you are using in particular places. So here first one is sin 8x cos x is considered as this property, sin A cos B. So sin here A as 8x, B as x. So the identity says 1 by 2, this can be written as 1 by 2 sin A plus B. Sin A plus A is 8x, B is x. So 8 plus x sin 9x. Then plus sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is sin 8x minus x, 7x. Then minus of sin A cos B. Sin A cos B. Once again the same formula in the numerator. Once again the second term also the same formula, 1 by 2 sin A plus B. Here A is 6x, B is 3x, it is 9x, plus sin A minus B. Sin A minus B, 6x minus 3x, it is 3x. Numerator over. Then come for the denominator. See the denominator, cos A cos B. Cos A cos B, the third identity, cos A cos B. In the form of cos A cos B, we can write 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 1 by 2 cos A plus B. Here A is 2, x, B is x. It is 3x plus cos A minus B. Cos A minus B is x. Next, sin A sin B, sin A, sin B. Fourth one, 1 by minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, already here one minus, so it will be plus 1 by 2. Don't make mistake here. It is minus 1 by 2 in the formula. So already minus is there in that denominator. So it will become plus 1 by 2. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B is 7x. Minus cos A minus B is 3x minus x, cos minus x, cos minus x. So cos of minus x always positive, even function. Can you remember that? Cos of negative argument always positive. Sin of minus, whole function will be negative, because cos of minus x will be cos x. So it will be plus x. Okay, now here can we take 1 by 2 commonly outside in the numerator? If I take 1 by 2 commonly outside, it is sin 9x, sin 7x minus sin 9x minus sin 3x divided by, here also 1 by 2 I am going to take commonly outside. Here cos 3x cos x plus cos 7x minus cos x. So here we have some cancellation, 1 by 2 we can cancel it. Then sin 9x minus sin x we can cancel it. Then here plus cos x minus cos x also we can cancel it. So remaining is sin 7x minus sin 3x whole divided by cos 7x. Just write in the bigger value, angle value in the first always, cos 3x. See, look at that. Again, next we are coming for sum to product formula. Sum to product formula, we can select sin C minus sin D formula, because here C is 7x, D is 3x. So here we can use this identity, which is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Here this can be written as 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D. C 7x, d 3x, c plus d 7x plus 3x 10x by 2, 10 and 2 will be cancelled, 5x. Directly I am writing, it is not a difficult one, you just see the, sorry, this one, second one, 2 cos c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. C plus here, c is considered as 7, d is 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 2, 5. So 5x. Next one, sin c minus d by 2. Sin c minus d by 2. C minus 7x minus 3x is 4x. 4x by 2 is 2x divided by. Next, cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d, it is cos c plus cos d, it is third identity. Cos c plus cos d can be written as 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. So 2 cos c plus d by 2, 7 plus 7x plus 3x, 10x by 2 is 5x. Then here cos c minus d by 2, 7x minus 3x, it is 4x by 2, it is 2x. We have a cancellation, 2 cancellation, remaining sin 2x by cos 2x, we can write a tan 2x. It is RHS side. Hence, proved. So, question number 5 is over. Next, we can see question number 6. Question number 6 is, show that cos theta minus cos 3 theta into sin 8 theta plus sin 2 theta divided by sin 5 theta minus sin theta cos 4 theta minus cos 6 theta equal to 1. So here also, in this problem also, I am going to use the identity which is sum to product identities. Using these 4 identities, I am going to solve this problem. So first I am going to take LHS side. So this is cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d formula. Look at that, cos c minus cos d formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. So here c is theta, d is 3 theta. 2 sin c plus d, theta plus 3 theta is 4 theta by 2 is 2 theta. 4 theta by 2, 2 and 4 cancel, 2 theta. And sin theta, d minus c, you have to be very careful, d minus c, then d is 3 theta minus theta is 2 theta, 2 theta by 2 is only theta. Next, sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2, here c is 8, d is 2 theta, 10 theta by 2 is 5 theta into cos c minus d, 8 theta minus 2 theta, 6 theta by 2 is 3 theta. Denominator, this is sin a minus, sin c minus sin d, second one. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by c by, c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus Here C, this is D. 6 theta by 2, 3 theta, then sin C minus D. 5 theta minus theta, 4 theta by 2, 2 theta. Here, cos C minus cos D. Cos C, again fourth one. Cos C minus cos D, 2 sin C plus D, sin D minus C, this is D. 2 sin C plus D is 10 theta by 2, 5 theta, then sin D minus C, 6 theta minus 4 theta is 2 theta, sorry, 6 theta minus 4 theta is 2 theta by 2 is theta. Now, we can have a cancellation, 2, all the 2 will be cancelled. Here we have a sin 2 theta cancelled, sin 5 theta cancel, sin theta cancel, cos 3 theta, all are cancelled. So, 1 by 1, answer is 1, which is RHS side. In a single step we got the answer, but it is not easy other than sum to product identities known. Otherwise, it is not easy to solve in single step. So, here very important, very essential is sum to product identities. So, by the problem number 6 over. Problem number 7, prove that sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x equal to sin 2x into 1 plus 2 cos x. Here I am going to take LHS side. LHS side, before that I told you, when you have a formula, sum to product formula, better is C always a bigger value, C bigger, D supposed to be smaller. So, I have to rearrange the order in the LHS side. Rearrangement is your sin 3x I can write first. Second one, when you use sin C plus sin D, for example, sin C plus sin D formula, sin C plus D, sin 2 sin C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, if you take Cx, D 2x, if you add this, x plus 2x, 3x by 2, it is fraction mode. So, avoid that fraction. I have a small adjustment here. After sin 3x, I just write sin x, then sin 2x. Now, look at that. If you take this C and D, 4x will come. Automatically 4x will be cancelled. No fraction mode. So, that's why I take this first, then this sin x second, then third one sin 2x. This is the purpose of changing the order. Okay, now sin C, this is D, C, this is D. Sin C plus sin D formula, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D, 3x plus x, 4x by 2 is 2x into cos C minus D, 3x minus x, 2x by 2, it is x plus sin 2x. Here we have a sin 2x, we have sin 2x. If you take sin 2x commonly outside, you will get the answer. I have taken this outside, remaining 2 cos x plus 1. So, for rearranging for the answer, so tan 2x 1 plus 2 cos x, which is RHS side, hence proved. So, problem number 7 over. Next, problem number 8. Prove that sin 4x plus sin 2x by cos 4x plus cos 2x equal to tan 3x. So here, look at this. Here we have a formula sin C plus sin D. The first one, numerator sin C plus sin D. Using this formula, you will, if you use this, it will be the numerator. Then cos C plus cos D formula. Cos C plus, if you use this, you will get the denominator. We will have some cancellation. You will get tan 3x in 1 or 2 steps. Please try this in your home, try this in your own. I'm not going to do this problem. You can try it in your own homework problem. Do it in your own. Next, 9th question. Because 8th problem is very easy. Only 2 identities we are going to use. If you use the first identity in the numerator and second identity in the denominator, automatically some things will be cancelled. Remaining sin value, sin 3x will be in the numerator, cos 3x will be in the denominator. You will get tan 3x automatically right hand side value. So this is homework, you can do it in your own. Problem number 9. Prove that 1 plus cos 2x 1 plus cos 4x 1 plus cos 6x equal to 4 cos x cos 2x cos 3x. See here, left hand side, I am going to take left hand side. Anyway, I am going to use this sum to product formula, but here we have in this case we have all cos functions, and in this 3 terms we have a cos function, but here only here 1 is given, it is not in the trigonometry ratio. So first I am going to convert 1 into trigonometry ratio. So before that, LHS, I just having some I'm just rearranging the order. So I told you already, the first order is supposed to be in the bigger values. C value is supposed to be bigger value. So I am just changing the order. Cos 6x plus cos 4x plus cos 2x. Instead of 1, we know that cos 0 value degree is 1. Cos 0 degree value is 1. So instead of 1, I am going to write a cos 0. Cos 0 x, because we have variable with values, so I am writing 0 into x. So instead of 1 can be written as cos 0 x. So now I can change the numerical value into trigonometry ratio. Then only we can able to use the property. Okay, now first take these 2. This is C, this is D. Cos C plus cos D, third property. 2 cos C plus D by cos C minus D. 2 cos C plus D. 6x plus 4x, 10x by 2 is 5x. Cos C minus D. 6x minus 4x is 2x by 2, it is x. 6x minus 4x, it is 2x by 2, x plus. This is also same formula, cos C plus cos D, 2 into cos 2x plus x, 0x, it is 2x, it is cos x divided by 2 cos x into, this is also cos x. C minus D, 2x minus 0x is 2x by 2 cos x. Here, once again, if you take 2 cos x commonly outside, 2 cos x commonly outside, what is remaining? Cos 5x plus 2 cos x came out, only cos x. If you see this again, cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos, don't multiply cos x into cos x here. If you multiply, you will get cos square, you will not get the right hand side answer. That's why I am not multiplied here. I am just taking outside because all the terms are in the multiplication mode. So here we have a plus, so I have taken 2 cos x automatically. Again I can go for the sum to product, you will get the product values. So cos c, same identity, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 6 x by 2 is 3x into cos 5x minus x, 4x by 2 is 2x. So if you all multiply it with 2 into 2, 4. According to the order we can write cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x, which is right hand side. So by this we can conclude hence proved. So by this problem we will conclude today's class. We will see the next problems in the next class. Thank you.